Actually, no, this is a medium angle, which I kind of like. And there is it looking forward. So I guess wide might be the best then. See? Is it? Kind of like since Morrison's in action. Do you do that that dine in for a tenner for two deal in this store?
You're looking for the ready meals, right?
Well, it's dine in for two with a bottle of wine. There's a starter, a main course, and a side, and a bottle of wine for £10. Some of the stores do it, some don't.
I'm not really sure because I'm working in this.
Oh, my friend, all right. No, I'll have a look around and ask someone up at the top. Does this store ever do that dine in for £10? £10. It's an offer that some Morrisons do. A starter, a main course, a bottle of wine. Oh, I'll have a look next time. Oh, I am, definitely. Thank you so much. Oh, that one's got to go in there as well. Can't ride a motorbike with a beer in my hand, can I? Not anymore. Oh yeah. Well, I couldn't afford a holiday this year, but at least I'm on the Travelator. I can pretend I'm going to the airport or getting on my nice plane to Madrid or Malaga or wherever it is that I used to go. And vision. This is on my £8 coins. Oh, right.
6 minutes.
Right, I can't read the buttons, look. Substandard. Enter your code. Code accepted. Program 1 ready. What is program 1, eh? Use machine now, it says. Right. The fuck? Maybe I gotta press that. Okay, so